Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I'm going to make a keto dish for my breakfast. It's keto avocado eggs. First thing I've done is I've got my oven preheated to 425, preheating to 425. Excuse me. I've got a pan. I guess it's an 8x8 covered with the non-stick aluminum foil. I've got an avocado. I've got some grape tomatoes, 2 eggs, a slice of cheese, real bacon pieces, and some sriracha. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my avocado up. You just go around the avocado. And then you twist it apart. And then you take your little seed and twist it out, and it doesn't come out. There it is. And then you throw the seed away. Alright, and then you're going to scoop out down to the bottom some of the avocado so that your egg will go in there. I can't wait to taste this. I've never made it before, but this is supposed to be a good keto dish. So, and save the avocado that you scoop out. And so now I'm going to put my avocados in my pan against each other so they're standing up. And then I'm going to crack my egg. Oh, and it came out. These are not big avocados. Matter of fact, they're pretty little. So that's why it's doing that. Alright, and then I'm going to crack my other egg and put it in the other one. And the egg comes out. I live in Virginia, and Virginia just does not have... we don't get good vegetables in our grocery store. So I'm going to put salt and pepper. Well, alright, on the eggs, and then I've got some tomatoes here that I'm just going to put in and in with the avocados. Maybe I'll put them right here. And roast these in there too. And I'm going to put these in the oven for 15 minutes. And when they get done, I'll bring you back and show you what else I'm going to do. Okay, I'm back. Alright, here's my eggs. I have, oh, I forgot the bacon bits. I've got to put some bacon bits on here. I can't believe I forgot them. They were sitting right in front of me. Alright. And these cooked for 20 minutes. I didn't think they were done, but they are. So 15 minutes would have done it. And I've got some green beans and the tomatoes that I cooked. I love green beans and tomatoes together. So I want to taste this and this avocado egg and see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. That is really good. Wow. the avocado and the egg is just so creamy and buttery. Oh, oh my gosh, that's just amazing. And the bacon bits, I want a tomato too with it. Oh my gosh. That is good. I can definitely eat avocados like this. And the reason that I'm doing this is because avocados are supposed to be really good for you. So, and you can eat them on keto. So, this is my breakfast. And, whoops, I just dropped it. And probably my lunch too. But I'm going to eat this up. This is really good. Really good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to different links of things that you can purchase at Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.